Pack your dreams, let's hit the road.
Good? Good. I hope you enjoy, honey. Okay, guys, this is my uniform for today. Okay. Good. Hi, guys. Good morning from Thailand. How are you doing today? And today is my second day cooking class. And now Steve, he's hungry already. Went already there in restaurant. And I'm still here because I'm editing some videos too. So now he messaged me that he's already there. So okay, let's go. And guys, this two vlogs is only for cooking class. So if you want to learn how cook Thailand food, you can watch this vlog. Okay, it's basic, but you know. Okay guys, let's go guys. Okay guys, this I will cook a what is called that, honey? Panang curry and tom yum soup and sticky rice with mango. Okay.
You made first steam rice, you steam first.
Yeah, steam.
Finish already is you make coconut
Okay.
juice with sugar,
Okay.
little bit salt.
Salt.
Yeah,
Okay.
little bit. Cooking coconut and sugar boil already.
Okay.
You put the
Sticky rice.
and mix together. Mix maybe 3 or 4 minutes if this juice coconut is dry.
Okay.
Dry already, it all come like look like the steam rice. It's okay, and you cut mango eat together.
Oh, okay.
This is no different.
It's easy, but it's
Easy.
long time
Yeah.
process. Okay.
You
Hungry now.
yeah.
Only. Okay, guys, this is my uniform for today.
Okay, you make panang curry, yeah?
Yeah.
You can eat spicy or not?
Not too much because it's for my husband.
Okay. We don't need this chili.
I need to wash first.
Okay. Chili and the chili is spicy.
Okay.
You make for your husband, yeah? No too spicy.
Not too much
We
spicy.
make this only for color, the chili.
Okay.
Cut like this. You cut like this.
Like,
Then this side, okay. Cut.
like that.
Yeah. And then we cut small. Yeah, small one. Yellow color. We make 2 color. Just 4 color and look like beautiful here. Put together.
What's that? Is
Look like this.
lime leaves. Taste,
Yeah.
I think.
This is for smell.
Yeah, smell.
Put together. Yeah. How do you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You cut small slice. Yeah. တမီးရတာမှမဟုတ်ဘူးတတိမရမှာလေ make together. This is for panang.
Okay.
For here.
This
we
is-
made for yeah.
This is for panang, guys.
Made for tom yum.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tomato. Okay, you cut tomato 4 slice like the big one. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Yeah, for here. Coconut soup, tom yum, you like.
What again?
Tom yum is Thai people eat it, drink like this, clear soup, no coconut milk. You
I want
this?
coconut milk.
Okay. Like this.
Same also.
Same also. This onion. Thai people eating for clear soup, no onion. Like this onion, this spicy.
Yeah, okay.
Thai people. For you is this white onion. And the lemongrass for smell.
Okay. For the smell.
And do like this slide. Yeah, careful your finger. Yes, okay. Yeah.
Put together.
Yeah, together. You know, like this one? This is look like the ginger kalanga or I don't know how to call.
This is ginger.
No ginger.
Ah, it's not
Another.
ginger?
This is no ginger. Many Thai food we put this one. Leek. Maybe just little bit. And mushroom.
Mushroom.
You like any mushroom you can put inside.
Yes.
This is we made restaurant. We cooking with this one.
Ingredients for the tom yum.
Shrimp. You know how to do shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay, we take shrimp in for one. Put together and scrape. Cup.
Like this.
You like this or?
Or different. It's up to me.
Yeah. You
If-
like this? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
We do for restaurant and we make a big one.
Yeah. I like this. So,
You like this one, huh?
yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Because I choose seafood, it's shrimp and squid.
Yeah. You don't like the celery. This is no celery.
Oh, what's that?
Celery, I have here one. You smell?
I forgot this.
After I try the cookie, this name.
Ah, yeah, it's good.
I also like this one.
I don't know what this is.
I find for you this name.
Okay.
My boss know, but I never change English.
I
Like
check.
this. Okay, out. This will be put after finish soup, we put inside. And
Okay.
You cut small.
Like this.
Yeah. Like this, put together. Now for tom yum and for panang, we do everything.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the ingredients of tom yum. This one it's for tom yum. That's for
Tom yum.
tom yum.
Yeah.
Oh, also including the what is called this? Lemon?
Lemon.
Lemon. Whole lemon.
Some people we make just coconut soup and this is chili paste for panang made together. We don't
Okay.
we don't do like the we like the color and smell go. We make little bit oil.
Okay.
We put a little bit oil. You can use any oil.
Okay.
Before we know using peanut oil. Some people allergic peanut. Little bit oil.
Ah, yeah.
This is chili paste for panang.
Chili
I
paste.
show you packet. You can buy any Thai shop.
Okay.
You know by this one, you can do like the before. This smell chili and you
Okay.
like this.
So guys, this is coconut
Coconut
milk.
You like spicy or no spicy? You know put too much, just little bit. Just little bit. You like more spicy? You make chili like this small chili.
Okay.
You can put.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this you make for white and this together. We put coconut milk.
Okay.
Maybe sonji the zombie.
This one?
Yeah. For one spoon, big one. For one, maybe this for two people.
Okay. Oh. So oil and paste curry.
Yes,
And
and
then
coconut.
and then
We
put together.
This one together. We waiting for boil.
Okay.
Medium fire. Okay, we waited for chicken. And we put maybe 2 spoons sugar.
2 spoon. Full.
Yeah, 4 tablespoons. soya sauce. 3 spoons soya sauce.
This is soy sauce.
Yeah.
Can I buy this in from here?
This is, we using money brand already. This brand is very nice.
Ah, really? Ah, okay. Soy sauce. I don't know if I can buy this. Can I?
Yeah, you may have it.
So, panang curry is very easy also to cook.
Or you can do it, everything easy.
Yeah.
Have you
This is
sweet
mint.
basil?
Ah, basil.
Sweet basil.
Sweet
After
basil.
curry. Yesterday you made pakapao, you know?
Yes.
Spicy basil is for spicy food. This basil is for coconut.
Okay.
Curry.
It's different.
Sweet
Mm.
basil.
Yeah,
Yesterday
yeah.
my bought of you, yeah? For coconut curry, it made this basil.
After,
Yeah, chicken nearly done. This if we no juice or something chicken, so we make just coconut.
okay.
Yeah. This is no too much soup.
So, look guys.
This chicken okay if we can eat it.
How many minutes for cooking from the boiled?
Maybe 2 minutes, I think.
2 minutes, okay.
3 minutes, okay.
Mm.
Okay?
Good. Okay.
This after finish, we put
Ah, and then
this okay. Yeah, curry.
uh,
Everything okay?
mm.
We made in the morning we had chicken soup. You don't have soup.
Ah, this is
Yes.
like
This is old one. This no, like this. This aloe. This Thai brand.
it's
I saw you.
it's like cubes.
This is pork.
Ah, yeah.
We made other people know.
I need
eat
to
pork.
boil the
Yeah,
water and then
boil
put
water.
how many like this?
This was just one.
One. Okay.
Yeah. We put little bit water. And before we make veggie.
Okay.
We put together. Okay. Come put together.
And then
Yeah. This seafood is later after boil. We make coconut, yeah?
okay.
We put coconut, same 1 spoon. Maono,
It's only coconut milk,
Yeah.
not coconut, not cream.
some people
Put the cream.
No coconut for headache or little bit more. You can spicy or not?
I want spicy.
This one you want spicy? Maybe how many chili?
Cut.
9.
Okay, it's okay.
4 chili?
Ay!
Okay. No. Your finger.
Yeah.
After chili, put your eye.
I forgot my.
Boil already, yeah?
It's boiled already.
And you make roll like that. Sugar,
How many sugar?
two
Two sugar?
Yeah.
It's a lot of sugar.
Yeah. And this for soup, we no need soya sauce.
No.
We need the fish sauce.
Okay.
Fish sauce.
Fish salt.
You make first maybe 2 tablespoons for 2 tablespoons, yeah? First you put the 2 tablespoons.
How to make
Okay. This is tom yum. We put chili.
chili?
Chili. Okay.
Oh, no more.
We make more color. This is chili paste.
Okay.
We want color. Also, no eat spicy. We put chili oil. You can eat spicy. We can make chili paste.
Okay.
No too much. Maybe 1 teaspoon. Like this.
Okay.
Put inside.
This is for coloring.
Yeah, for coloring. Okay, we put inside. And we move around. Just wait. Maybe 1 minute.
Okay.
Like this. Okay. Lemon. maybe small lemon, we can make 2 small lemon. This is big size, yeah?
Okay.
We make just first 1 lemon. 1 lemon, okay?
Okay.
This is 2 is for 1 already. This is too much juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So enough.
We try first. This I show you this core.
Okay.
It's okay. Finish already for tom yum. Finish tom yum.
Okay.
Yes, we make ball for you inside.
And
It's okay. Tom yum.
this is the finishing product. Honey. Honey. This is my food. It's here. I hope you enjoy, honey.
You want a rice?
Yeah, I ordered rice for you. That's mine. Thank you so much.
Or was it easy to cook?
Huh?
Was it easy to cook?
2 and 4 drinks. You need including my video because I'm cook for you. Wait. Just
Thank you.
1 chunk. Oh yeah, small. And 1 big Coke.
I think they're going to be a bit warm.
It's not spicy for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're both easy to cook?
Huh?
Both easy to cook?
It's easy to cook. So first bite. How is it? How is it, Tanya?
Good.
Good?
Very good.
Very good?
Very good.
Good. Are you happy? Good. So hi guys, welcome back. We just come back from cooking class and I hope you enjoy my cooking lessons videos. And yeah, it's easy to cook for panang curry and tom yum. And yes, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below. And don't forget to smile, be lucky, and always be kind to others. And see you in my next vlog.